Hey guys, this is Lisa with the Barnyard Chicken, and well, I guess I won't be doing videos for a while. We have no lights, no power, no internet, and we are flooded in. So I hope everyone else out here in Texas and Louisiana is safe. We are safe and dry where we're at, but the house is flooded, and yeah. This is the front yard. All kind of debris floating around. It's just water as far as the eye can see. Looks like we lost that truck. The water has came down 8 to 12 inches today, but I don't know what the day will bring. We have no internet, so we have no TV or news, and just was checking in. It is not raining right now. It's lightly sprinkling, but it has rained consistently the whole time for the last 3 days. Okay guys, this is Lisa with the Barnyard Chicken, and I'm sending all my love, my prayers, and my hugs, and I will try to keep you updated. Thank you.